Yeah, so this is the first question. So it says, what value of x is in the solution set of 2x minus 3, which is greater than 11 minus 5x? So anytime we have an inequality, so say for example, from this question, they're asking us what's the value of x, right? So we would have to write 2x, and this is minus 3. This is greater than 11 minus 5x, right? And because I'm seeing a negative 5x over here, I can actually move this to the opposite side of the equation such that it would become positive 5x, right? So if that happens, we would get 7x. So this would become 2 plus 5x, this becomes 7x. And as a result, because we still have that greater than symbol, so we're going to keep that. However, we have the negative 3, so that negative 3 moves to the opposite side of the equation, such that it becomes 14, right? And we divide both sides with 7. That's why you get x, which is greater than 2. Okay, great. So now from here, as you can see, anytime you have an inequality, right, and because we're looking at the solution set, so that means we have to have a number line, right? So you're going to be graphing essentially such that you have 2, and we know that this is 0 over here, right, because it's less than 2. And as you can see, because it's saying it's greater than 2, right, that means our inequality, right, it's not including 2, right, because it doesn't say greater than or equal to 2, right? That's why this is going to be a whole over here, and this is going all the way after 2, right? Because it says greater than 2, that means it's any number, right, after 2. And 2 is not included. That's why this is the solution set, which is x greater than 2. So I know in this figure they didn't really show if 2 was included or not, but I think it's really important for us to make it a habit to include or do not include the x value. Hopefully that makes sense. Okay, great. So now let's take a look at what they wrote. It says, given the inequality, right? And then they're getting 7x greater than 14. That's right. That's right. So it's x greater than 2. All those values of x which are greater than 2 are solutions to the inequality 2x minus 3 greater than 11 minus 5x. Yeah, it's perfect. So we have nothing to correct. Okay, so solution is correct.